Hey guys, I'm Props, and today I'm going to be making an iron helmet from Skyrim out of cardboard, spackle, hot glue, and paper mache. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut out and glue together a template. This is the same template I used for my Bo-Katan helmet, so if you guys want that, go check out that video. Then I went through and glued on a face visor part with some eye holes cut out, and then I glued on a back plate part and made sure to trim it so that it was even, and then I glued on another part under that which had a little part cut out of it to make that little strip part that's cut out of it on the actual helmet. And then I glued some strips of cardboard around the sides of the helmet just to give it that raised look that's on the actual helmet. And then I glued on some tubes of cardboard to make the ear parts. I then stacked some layers of cardboard together to make that horn shape part, and then I trimmed the sides off of that and then wrapped it in some masking tape to cover up the corrugation lines. You just want to do this in a few layers just to make sure you don't get too many wrinkles. And then I went through and used my hot glue gun to put on some rings that gradually tapered it down to the front of the tip of the horn. And then I went through and paper machéed the horn using some tissue paper and some Mod Podge water mixture. And this is just to cover up some of the texture and to give it a new texture so that it looks a little bit better and more like a horn. And then I went through and applied some spackle over the whole helmet and the horn just to cover up some of the texture and to cover up the corrugation lines and seam lines that are on the helmet. And I just used some slightly watered down house spackling for a wall. This stuff is pink right now and then it turns white when it's dry. And then I went through and sanded the whole thing with 100 grit sandpaper. This took me about half an hour of sanding, but I'm sure if you used a lower grit you could get it done faster. Then I went through and painted the helmet with some cheap black spray paint just to seal in the spackle. And then I painted it with some nice metallic silver spray paint to give it a nice iron metallic look. When applying metallic paint, you want to make sure to do a lot of light coats rather than some heavy coats because it'll drip really easy. I also painted the horns with some gloss white paint just to give them a nice shiny look before I weathered it. And then I went through and did a black wash over the whole helmet. I went really heavily on the black wash just to give it that really nice worn look that the helmet has in game. I think I did 4 black washes just to give it a really nice rough look. I also dabbed on some brown paint in all of the corners of the helmet as well as some of the edges to give it a really nice rusty look. And then I went through and hit a flat coat over the whole helmet just to seal in all of that paint because acrylic paint is water soluble. And I also did a black and a brown wash over the horns just to give them a really nice rough old kind of rawhidey look like I did for the dragon bone sword. If you wanted, you could do a yellow wash just to give it that look that the sword had that I made. And then I went through and used some hot glue to glue the horns in, and bam, I think this helmet turned out pretty good. It's pretty accurate to the source material, and I'm really digging the rough look that this has. I might try to make a few more rougher looking helmets like this, maybe a few knight helmets. And I really like how the horns and everything came out. Might try to make some more stuff like that, and it fits on my head pretty well. I might need to add some padding in the back of it so that it doesn't wobble around, but it's really not a bad fit. If you guys don't mind supporting me through Patreon so I can continue to make good videos like this and higher quality ones as well, be sure to. You guys get behind the scenes access as well as some other things like voting material for my builds. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys don't mind liking and subscribing, please do. Let me know what builds and stuff you guys want to make and I'll get making them. See you guys next vid. Bye.